Hello trader, Ivan speaking here, and I want to present you today something very good, very new. This is Indigo, my latest strategy. Many of you have bought it and you know, but this is the new version of Indigo V7. I made it practically now the best strategy I made. This is almost perfect. Almost, I say almost because the strategy gives you almost all you need to make safely very fantastic trades and profits. But the rest of the story is you, a trader, which only have to be patient and use it as I will explain, and I guarantee you can make fantastic profits trading Forex and binary. So this is new version in the Indigo V7. I added new arrows. Remember, last version was with only white arrows, but I added this red and blue to avoid maybe few losing trades which you could have if you do not have these blue and red arrows, which will clearly show you what trades you will have to trade only. Very simple, you will see. So, as I said, this is for Forex, and this is also for binary. I will come later on binary. Let's go to some Forex charts. I prepared something. Yes, this is it. So you can use it on all time frames. Really, for Forex, I suggest minimum 1 hour time frame, but the best in my history experience is 4 hour time frame. And if you really do not have time to watch your charts, maybe each 4 hours, you can use daily charts, also fantastic. So all time frames, all currency pairs, not only Forex, you can use all assets, indices, stocks, crypto, gold, oil, anything you like. You see here, I think I put this German 30 CFD that you can see. This blue and red arrows are new. So now this is a two arrow system, and the job of this blue and the red arrows is to show you the direction in which you will trade. So you will only trade in direction which red and blue arrows is showing you. The first thing you must know, you do not trade with blue and red. They are only showing you the next direction you will have to trade. So you trade with white arrows, which are 100% not repainted. I will prove it later. This is fully not repainted. They never disappear, remove position or anything else. So white arrows, remember, are to be traded, but only in the direction of blue for long, for buy, or red will show direction of sell or short. I hope you understand. This indicator here, this is our famous Neuro Turbo, which is showing, the future price prediction for 15 candles in future. So here on 1 hour time frame, it shows 15 hours in future, the moment which we can expect. And I added this Z Turbo. This is my previous arrows, which I used in one other strategy, but this is a little bit changed for this strategy. different settings. So blue arrow, here we get blue arrow. Let's see one example of buy. We get blue arrow. Of course, we do not trade, but we now know that we will trade only buy, long trades. And we are waiting for white. When we get white, we can trade only if we have this, like here, confirmed. Very easy. A red line is price, our price. It must be over the white. You just, when you get arrow, you just take this cross and you see, this is showing in 15 candles what? That it is over the white line and it's going up. This is confirmed trade. If, let's say, these red lines will go down, we will not trade this. So it must go up in next 15 candles. So here we will trade only white arrows which shows up. And we will keep it, you see, until here, and we'll make 100 and something pips. Why until here? Until here we are keeping it, and when we get opposite arrow which shows sell, we are exiting our trade in Forex, of course. What now? We get sell Indigo arrow. Do we trade now? No, of course no. Why? Because our main direction arrow, which shows us the trend direction which we are trading, is up, buy, and this arrow is down, we do not trade it. It is some kind here of retracement, which you can trade if you're a very advanced trader. In the previous version, V6, you will trade it, because it is confirmed, you see. But here, we avoid such things, because we want to avoid any risk, and we want to trade only in the direction of trend. Only in the direction of trend. So we are waiting what? For a next white. Then we check here. White arrow. Good direction. Buy. Long. What we have here. Yes, it is confirmed. It's going up. You see? And we would trade this. We will take this trade until here. We must exit because we have a red arrow. Very strong sign that the market is going to change the trend. I hope this is clear. The red arrow now showed us that the market is going to change the trend very, very soon. So from this moment here, we are trading only sell arrows, not buy. So this white, we only are looking for, waiting for the white ones. So we get it after a few hours, 10 hours, or you must be patient, wait for such a setup. We get it. And what we see here, we see what we need to have. The red line is under the white in next 15 candles. And we easily take this trade and keep it until here. 40 pips, okay. When we get this arrow, we go out. Then we get this one. But it is buy. And we have this showing us downtrend. And because of red arrow, we taking only sell arrows, but this is then not valid. This is valid. Let's go to see. Yes, here we get a white which is in the direction of this, and we can take it. This is confirmed. You see, we exit. Then we get another. You see, we get another sell. Is it valid? Yes, because we are in downtrend. That downtrend is presented by this red arrow. So only sell trade we are going to take. Here we are looking down here. Yes, in 15 candles, the red line is under the white. This is confirmed. And you see, we easily take this trade until the next arrow, 78 pips. So in one cycles, let's say, this is one cycles of downtrend, we have made 1, 2, 3 easy winning trades, making few hundred pips. What happens then? Then we get a blue arrow. What does it mean? That the trend is going to be changed in a long uptrend. And it happened. What we are doing now, we do not trade with this, of course. We are waiting for not repainted arrow, Indigo, and we can take a trade. This is confirmed. Yes, you always must confirm it. What you see in next 15 candles, you see the red line is over the white, going up. It is fantastic. And you see we are keeping it until next arrow. We are exiting, and easily we made about 60-70 pips. And so on. Now let's finish this chart. We get another red. It means change of trend. As you can see, the trend is changing. Wait for this one and trade until here. We see white arrow, but in opposite direction of the main red arrow, which shows us the trend. And from this moment, we trade only sell white arrows. So this will trade, this not, and this will take trade. And again, the same story. Another blue shows changing of trend, and we are taking only buy or long. So we get arrow, we check here, you see what is showing in next 15 candles. It's showing up, going over the white line. As far away from the white, it is better. Guys, I hope you understand. Very easy strategy. Just follow main trend stream and trade with white arrows. I don't know what we have here more. We have, let's say, one daily chart. You see this daily chart. It was before we have up long trend, bearish, bullish trend, and at this moment it changed. We get our red arrow, which says to us that now we can expect down movement. So we just wait for confirmation for white sell arrow, Indigo. We are going down to check it. What is happening in next 15 days? In next 15 days we have a red line or the price predicting in future to go down. So it is confirmed. It is under the white line and go down. And easily we can take this trade, and we are keeping it until the next white or next blue. Here we exit with 360 pips. And we get this. No, we do not trade this. We can, if you are very advanced trader, if you know that it is a retracement but we know we do not trade in these rules. We do not. We are taking trade with the stream, with our trend direction, which is now down because of red arrow. So we can take another trade and keep it until here and make another 400 pips. I hope, guys, that it's very easy to understand. I said also that you maybe can use it on lower time frame. This is 5-minute time frame. In 5-minute time frame, you can use it both for binary, 30 minutes expiry, or for Forex scalping. Let's explain for people which maybe want to trade binary. Do not use M1 time frame, use M5 or M15 or higher for binary and for option and for Forex. For binary, let's see the same rules. We get blue. We wait normally. We do not trade blue on red arrows. This one, and we trade. We can take 6 candles expiry minimum. So 30 minutes up to 1 hour. I suggest minimum 30 minutes and not more than 60 minutes. So between 6 and 10 candles, fantastic expiry. Also here, red, white in the money. A very interesting thing here for binary, because you can make in one trend, let's say period, you can make few trades. One, this is not to be traded because it is in opposite direction than this is. So we trade only sell, and we are waiting. Yes, we get sell again in the money. Then we get buy, we do not trade. Then we get again sell, and we make here the third winning trade. Also here blue, white in the money. If you trade Forex scalping here, fantastic. The same rules, white arrow, confirming with this, 15 candles in advance, and you easily go up, and you take it until the next arrow. Either white arrow, either red, it's only important that it is opposite. And you can make even maybe almost 50 pips in scalping. This is Australian dollar, American dollar. Also 5-minute time frame, which you can use for binary and for Forex scalping. Let's see the interesting case here. We get a blue arrow, so it means change of the trend. We get white in the money, 6 candles or 10 candles. For binary, I mean 30 minutes or up to 1 hour. Then we get this, do not trade. Then we can get this again in the money. Then we get this again in the money. So 3 winning trades. Remember, you trade only in the direction of the previous blue arrow for buy, or red arrow, then you take only sell trades. Like here, sell trades. You see, if you make scalping here, boom, 20 pips. On 5 minutes, it's fantastic. Here, 16 pips. So you can do anything you want with this system. As I said, you can use it for Forex, especially on 4-hour charts or daily, even on 1 hour. Or maybe if you like scalping, you can use on 5 minutes, 15 minutes, 30 minutes. And finally, if you are a binary option trader, you see the possibilities. So guys, to conclude this long video, this is new, Indigo V7, this is fantastic. I promise you that if you only follow these rules, which I explained, which are not complicated, 2 arrow and confirmation, trade only in the trend, with the trend, I mean. The trend is showed you by these arrows. If you have red arrow, you trade only white arrows in the direction of selling of short, do not buy if you have trend down. If you have trend up with blue arrows short, you trade only white arrows, indigo arrows in the direction of the trend, up, up, up. These two are not valid. If you follow these simple rules, you practically cannot miss to be in big profit. The accuracy of such triple system, I mean triple, first of all you get information about general trend on this time frame. Then you trade only in that direction with indigo. But all the final entry must be confirmed with this future predictor. You see here that it shows, you see where is this red line now and where is our price. So we are about here and it shows what 15 candle in future. It shows that the price will go up, but we still do not take it until we get white buy arrow somewhere here. So you see how it shows future. You see we have here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 white arrows which are on different positions. We will go to 1 hour time frame, then to 15 minutes, sorry, and then to 5 minutes, and you see that all arrows are here. So we switch different time frames, go back, and you see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That all white arrows are here, of course, and these main trend arrows, this is the trend showing arrows, they are also here. So, guys, I don't know what to do better. What to do better than this. This is, I promise you, if you will be using it as I'm showing. It's a miracle for traders. It's a miracle. It's, I think, probably the best we can do today in Forex trading, also for binary, because this time we are trading only with trends. So this is trend following strategy. This is trend following strategy. As you are taking the trades only with the trend, not against. Guys, I know this is a very long video, but I really wanted to explain all details, all tricks, tips, everything that you use it much better. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this maybe too long video, and see you next time. All my details, my web page, contact, email contact, you will find below. If you subscribe to my email, to my web, you get 15% discount for the next purchase. Bye bye.